Exercise 5.5. Question number 1. Which of the following are the models of perpendicular line? Among the given four, what all things make a perpendicular? We have to answer. It is written here, the adjacent edges of the tabletop. So you all have seen the table, like the benches which are there in your classroom. It has four straight rows sidewards and a straight decks on which we sit, right? So that tabletop is standing upon what? I can show you the example here. Suppose this is the top on which we are sitting, and downside we have like this, right? The plank on which it is standing. So can we say this is perpendicular? So yes, it is a perpendicular portion. Okay, so the adjacent edges of the tabletop, they are the example of perpendicular line. Okay, then the lines of the railway track. We know railway tracks, how do they go? This is a railway track example. Like this is your first track, then this is the other track. So are they perpendicular? No, no. This particular track will go in its own way and this particular track will go in its own way. Both of them are traveling in their own ways, and whenever the lines which travel in their own particular ways, that line is known as parallel line. So the railway tracks are example of parallel lines. Okay, then a line segment forming the letter L. Now if we see the letter L, is this can we say it a perpendicular line? I mean example of perpendicular? Yes, we can say, because they both are making they both are forming a right angle here. You can see properly, this particular point is the part of the right angle now. So like this. Okay, so yes, the line segment forming the letter L also is the example of perpendicular line. Okay, then the letter V. If you see this letter V, can we say this as perpendicular? Perpendicular should make 90 degree. So is this complete 90 degree? No, 90 degree is means you can say more than 1/4, but this is only, it is less than 1/4, right? So it will form acute angle. We can say example of acute angle. Why? Because this letter V is less than 1/4, right? And right angle is the 1/4 example. So it will be an acute angle. The question is, which of the following are the models of perpendicular? So what we can say here, A means the adjacent tabletop is example of perpendicular, and C, that is line segment L, also is perpendicular. So A and C are the models of perpendicular lines.